Welcome to my YouTube channel. Every single human being within the world has every reason to find their inner fulfillment. Because we are part of God, we have such wonderful value as human beings. Whether we are big or small, we all have the opportunity to do something wonderful. The Lord sees within the heart what is our honesty, what is our ideal, what is our sincerity, and what is our integrity. Real self-confidence is based on that sincerity. Bhagavad Gita explains that the material elements of this world are earth, water, fire, air, and sky, which are the gross elements. But there are the minor elements like the mind, the intelligence, and the false ego. They are all temporary. They are all illusory because our true self is distinct. We are eternal. We are full of knowledge. We are full of bliss. We are all part and parcel of the Supreme. Remember, we are all part and parcel of the Supreme. That is our real nature. Therefore, Ahankara is foundational to material illusion. That is the main cause of all suffering. But most people factually build their confidence based on the lower self. There is a bee called the bumblebee. They are very big and black, and they have tiny little wings. Now, according to scientists, it is actually impossible for that bee to fly according to all the laws of aerodynamics, because their wings are so tiny and thin and their bodies are so big and heavy. However, they just fly around effortlessly because they have faith. They have seen all the other bees flying, so they just fly. But technically, scientifically, aerodynamically, that is impossible. Faith is so incredible that when we have faith in the inner higher self, when we have faith in the connection with the supreme energy and power of God, we can do incredible things with complete confidence and enthusiasm. And even if we fail 1,000,000 times, it does not matter because we know we are pleasing the Lord by our efforts. Friends, have faith in yourself and God and keep on trying. One day you will be getting success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share others.